My name is Blair Quarry. EAG Foundations provides oil and gas organizations with a dynamic, robust, plug-and-play report path and a cloud-based data warehouse that automatically pulls data from a variety of sources into a unified cloud platform for streamlined data analysis. It eliminates data silos, as the cloud-based data warehouse organizes and structures data in a common format, making it easy for cross-functional teams to get reliable, accurate data fast. This product solution will not only save you time, increase productivity, and provide you with a competitive edge, but also improve the overall company culture. A data-driven culture promotes accountability, transparency, and trust, as decisions and actions are based on objective data with a single source of truth. Contact EAG today.